Simple steps to remove carpet stains fast. Brooklyn, New York edition. Keeping carpets clean in a bustling Brooklyn, New York home can be a challenge, but removing stains doesn't have to be. Follow these simple steps to tackle those stubborn spots quickly and efficiently. 1. Blot, don't rub. Immediately blot the stain with a clean cloth or paper towel. Avoid rubbing, as this can push the stain deeper into the carpet fibers, making it harder to remove. 2. Apply a cleaning solution. Mix a solution of 1 part white vinegar and 2 parts water in a spray bottle. Spray the stained area generously and let it sit for a few minutes. This eco-friendly solution is perfect for Brooklyn, New York homes. 3. Blot again. Use a clean cloth to blot the stain, working from the outside in to prevent spreading. Keep blotting until the stain starts to lift. 4. Rinse with warm water. Lightly rinse the area with warm water and blot dry. This helps remove any remaining cleaning solution and ensures your carpet doesn't get sticky. 5. Dry completely. Place a clean towel over the spot and press down to absorb excess moisture. Allow the area to air dry completely to avoid mildew.